Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So, here's the task. What does this sign warn drivers about? Number 1. Slippery road ahead due to rain. Number 2. Sharp turn followed by straight road. Number 3. Series of curves ahead, beginning to the left. Number 4. Lane merging from the left. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The winding road sign with a left-leaning arrow indicates that there is a sequence of curves ahead, starting with a curve to the left. Drivers should reduce speed and be ready for multiple turns. It's often placed in hilly or rural areas where the road layout limits visibility and reaction time. So, the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.